Today, Urban Gardener's gardening tip is how to grow water spinach in a container. Water spinach needs wet and moist soil to grow fast and healthy. The soil mixture contains 1 compost, 1 sand, and 1 topsoil. Apart from that, here, I have added 2 layers of coir dust for better water retention. So that keeps a wet atmosphere to the plants. If you use seeds, plant it around 4 times deeper than the seed. Germination usually occurs just after 3 to 4 days. You can keep the container under a partially shaded area. Water spinach is something easy to grow under full sunlight or partial sunlight, and needs low care compared to other vegetables. Important is frequent watering, at least daily. If you use the cutting method, just cut small, around 40 centimeters, 50 centimeters, long cuttings and plant it 20 centimeters deeper in the potting mixture. There can be situations, the leaves become yellowish. The main cause for this is low nitrogen in the soil. So you can use an organic fertilizer like cow dung to avoid this problem by adding it to the plant container every week. You can use a pesticide like neem oil every week time for pest control. After 5 weeks time, now it's ready to take the first harvest. Try this at home and thanks for watching my video. Happy gardening and please subscribe to my channel for more gardening videos.